Alright, quick update on JASMY. So in yesterday's video, we were obviously somewhere roundabout up here, and I said, in my opinion, I think we were going to close a candle like this with a big wick to the upside. We didn't necessarily do that. So we did come all the way up here. We did close in a bullish candle, but as you can see, if you've been watching my videos, I say we need to break out, backtest, and then go off to the races. And if you've been watching for the past week or so, I've been saying for me nothing changes at all until we do get above this orange box. Until we got above this orange box, I said I wasn't bullish and I was bearish. Obviously you can see that we've come all the way up here, and now we haven't closed below it yet, but we are now pushing below this red line. So we have had two 4-hourly closes below this this red line. Let me just check. Yeah, so we've had two red closes, or two closes below this red line. So this is really not what you want to see for JASMY. Obviously, like I say, I don't hold JASMY. I'm just giving you my unbiased opinion on it. So I'm giving you a different perspective on the market, as I don't benefit from this going up or down at all. As a rule of thumb, I would like to see all of these altcoins go up, because the total crypto market cap has had a rejection from the heartline, or the 618 here at 1.84 trillion. So I was hoping the altcoins were going to go on a rally, Bitcoin was going to go on a rally, everything was going to start coming up, because obviously if a big tide of money comes in, it will in theory rise most of the boats. So it does seem like things are going bearish now. If I come over to the Bitcoin shorts, which, by the way, this all links to JASMY. If Bitcoin is doing bad, then I don't think that JASMY is going to do well at all. That's at least my opinion. And as you can see, the Bitcoin shorts are currently skyrocketing. If we do break and close above this big red box here, I do think Bitcoin is going to fall off the table. As you can see, Bitcoin has been struggling in the past 2 days, when we really did need to see continued momentum. So what I see for JASMY is one last chance today. Let us come into the daily and I'll show you, because there's really not too much to talk about. All I really see is, in the macro term, until we at least close like a couple of days above this orange line, absolutely nothing's changed, and I wouldn't be even remotely bullish in the short to mid term. And I said in the very short term, for me to get very, very short term bullish, and by short term bullish I meant just a 54% move up, and then we'll have to see what happens if we get up here. I said we needed to close above here, have a bullish candle, which in fairness we did number one, and I said we need to back test, hold it as support, and go off to the races. So we haven't done that so far. We are coming, it's fairly close. For me at least, I'm in the UK, it's 4 hours away until the daily close, and you can see that we are falling below the red trend line. So I will give it the benefit of the doubt, give it a couple more 4-hourly candles. I'd probably say if we do have another 2 or 3 4-hourly candles close below here, in my opinion we will be getting ready to make new lows, or at least backtest the lows. So what I see from here is your least to be fair, your most conservative estimate of drop would be a 27% drop back to the previous lows. I do think that's a little bit too hopium-y for my liking. I'd think we'd be coming down to the 1.618, which we get from this fib from the low to the high. That is a 32% drop. If we don't hold that, it will get very, very shaky, and we'll need to hold this this big green box. But for now, let's talk about holding the 1.618 at this pretty much 1 cent level. If we lose 1 cent, we're pretty much screwed. So that is all I see for JASMY really. We need to close above this red line. If we close below 1.49, then in my opinion we are about to get ready to fall off the table. So that is all I see for JASMY. Best of luck if you hold this. Once again, none of this is financial advice. This is just my opinion on the market, and you've always got to do what's best for you. Peace.